What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Space Cowboy by ZillaKami. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll elbow drop your grandma off the top of the turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you're gonna lower your E string down to a D note. It should be an octave lower than your D string. And there's just 4 different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be, you're gonna bar the first 2 strings, E and A, on the 6th fret. And you're gonna put your pinky on the, this is a bit of a stretch, but you're gonna put your pinky on the 10th fret. Second chord, slide that down 1 fret to 5, 5, 9. Then we're gonna go all the way down to 1, and you're gonna bar E, A, and D, the first 3 strings, and put your pinky on the G string on the 3rd fret. Then slide up to the 3rd fret, you're gonna bar E and A, and then put your pinky on the 7th fret of the D. Once you got your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, throughout all the chords. It looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 down, down. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.